the histogram shows the speeds in miles per hour, 82 cars on a road. So we know that all of these equate to 82 cars. 14 cars were traveling over 50 miles per hour. So we know everything that is past 50 miles equates to 14 cars. Okay, so that's good information. So we can use that to find out how much one car is. Calculate the estimate number of cars that were traveling between 42 and 49. Okay, so we don't have any y-axis, so frequency density. What we really need to do is count the number of boxes. So what they have given us is this piece of information that can really make us work out what one car equates to. So we can find this by doing the total number of squares divided by 14, and that way we can find out how many squares one car represents. So let's have a look at this. Let me just try to zoom in over here. Okay, so we got approximately, let me just get my pointer. So if I just grab my pointer over here. Okay, so let's zoom in again. All right, the pointer doesn't work. Okay, so let's just count these boxes. Can't zoom in anymore. Okay, so we have approximately, in this space over here, we have around 25 boxes, because 5 squares over here and 5 squares over here. So if we just zoom out, we can write that we got 5. This region of boxes, so this region of boxes represents 25. Okay, so now we can, it makes things a bit more simpler. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 times 25, 25 times 7, that should give us 35. Then we have 14 plus 3, 17, so 175. So 75 squares, so 175 squares equates to 14 cars. Okay, so for us to find out how much one car is, we have to do 14 divided by 14. And likewise, on this side, we have to do 175 divided by 14. Okay, so let's do that on our calculator. 175 divided by 14. So one car represents 12.5 boxes, okay? So we can say that 12.5 squares or boxes represents one car. So that's good information. Now we need to find out how many squares we got between 42 and 49, okay? So let's have a look at this. 42 is over here. Can't really see, quite hard to see the boxes. If you look over here, there's 5 boxes across. 42 is where the 2 is, so there's 3 along this way and there's 5 along that way. So you can say there are 15 in each square. So if we go back, we can say from here all the way to here, there are around 15. Okay, so we can do this, this, and this. Just work our way up. So they're around, how many 15s? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 15 times 9, we get 45. 9, 13, so 135. So this region, 135 squares, and it was from 42 to 49. So 49 is just over here, all of this region. So we know this is 4. 4 times 5 is, so this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. So this is 140. So 135 plus 140, just write a different color. to run out of space. So we do 135 plus 140 gives the following. So 572. That's how many squares we have. So we need to divide it by 12.5 to find out how many cars there are. So 275 divided by 12.5 will give us a number of cars, which is 275 divided by 12.5. That gives us 22 cars. The answer to our question over here is 22 cars are in the region of 42 to 49 miles per hour.